Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 2.1. Given the quadratic pattern 244 followed by 193 and then 148 and then 109, and it goes on like that, write down the next term of the pattern. So we're given that this is a quadratic pattern, so we know that the second difference is constant. So let's do this. So it's 244, 193, 148, 109. Let's do the first differences. What is 193 minus 244? That's negative 51. And then 148 minus 193 is negative 45. And then 109 minus 148 is negative 39. So these are the first differences. And then the second difference is negative 45 minus negative 51, which is like negative 45 plus 51 is what? 6. Negative 39 minus negative 45, which is like negative 39 plus 45 is 6. We know that the second difference is constant, so it means even this difference here is going to be 6. We can get the first difference here. So negative 39 plus 6, what is it? It's negative 33. We've managed to find the first difference here. Then what is 109 minus 33? If you check, I'm just using the signs of the numbers as they are. Here I said negative 39 plus 6. We get negative 33. And then 109 minus 33. We get what? We get 76. So this is the fifth term. Therefore, T5 is equal to 76.